Hiring non-CDL drivers in Cincinnati, Ohio. Job title, Non-CDL Driver. Company, Mail Management Services Incorporated. Location, Cincinnati, Ohio, 45270. Job type, full-time. Salary, $32 per hour. Shift and schedule, home daily. Job description, starting pay is $32 per hour. The schedule runs from Monday to Sunday, with 1 day off during the week. AM route, 4:45 a.m. to 8 a.m. PM route, 3:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Home daily. Block pay for 6 hours each shift. Job responsibilities, punctual daily arrival. Inspect the truck before, during, and after the run, pre-trip/post-trip, DVIR, report issues to the local operations manager. Complete daily tasks in compliance with company procedures and federal, state regulations. Report any delays, weather, traffic, breakdowns, affecting on-time postal facility arrival. Equal opportunity employer, Mail Management Services is an equal opportunity employer. All qualified applicants will receive consideration for employment without regard to race, color, religion, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, national origin, disability, or protected veteran status. Job requirements, at least 12 months of verifiable box truck driving experience within the last 5 years. Valid driver's license. Pass a company-administered driving test. Ability to pass a federal background check. No felonies or DUIs/DWIs within the last 5 years. Ability to frequently lift, push, and pull wheeled carts. Must pass a DOT physical and pre-employment drug test, company paid. Physical requirements, load, unload, sort, and handle cargo by hand or using mechanical equipment, carts or pallet jack. Bend, stoop, twist, climb, and move freely handling cargo weighing over 100 pounds. Lift 60 to 100 pounds, lift 60 pounds overhead. Exert a minimum of 70 pounds of pull pressure on the fifth wheel lock and trailer tandem release. Safely maneuver a cart weighing up to 1,600 pounds. To read the salary and benefits package and apply for the vacancy, please visit the link in the video description.